The Essex Country Parks team are responsible for managing a significant amount of land in the county. The 8 Essex Country Parks and 3 rail trails total over 1,000 hectares of land. This is a substantial area of natural green space, and it's really important that it's looked after properly for the benefit of residents, visitors and wildlife. I'm Lisa Smart and I'm part of Essex Country Parks team. Across the parks, the team manage a rich variety of habitats, from coastal salt marsh and grazing marshes to ancient woodlands, grasslands and everything in between. Many of the parks have a vibrant history and are home to rare and protected plants, insects, birds and mammals, including shrill-carder bees, lesser spotted woodpeckers and purple hair streak butterflies. The parks are significant from a local, national and international point of view and contain sites of special scientific interest, special protection areas and Ramsar sites. We're thrilled to have been successful in securing funding from the government's Countryside Stewardship scheme, which supports land managers to look after and improve the natural green space in England. Essex Country Parks are creating high-quality green space that benefits wildlife and people for the future.